is Quadratic, and of course, I'm a maths tutor, and I'm here to show you wonderful problems or wonderful ways to solve some problems in mathematics. So today, what we are going to do something very quickly, and we are looking at simultaneous equation, one linear, one quadratic. Now, like we said, linear equation is one in which the unknown quantity is one, and quadratic equation is one in which the unknown quantity or the unknown quantities are what? 2. Now looking at my board, we have a question. You have 2x plus y equals 8, then x squared plus y squared equals 13. What do we do? Now looking at my board, I can make this equation 1, and this is eventually equation 2. Now the first thing I'll do, I'll make x or y subject on the formula. If I make y subject, it means that this is y. Remember the equation is there, y equals 8 minus 2x. I have made y subject. I only took 2x to this place to become minus 2x. So this is what? Equation 3. Now that I have equation 3, what do I do? I will put 3 into 2. I'll put 3 into 2. If I put 3 into 2, that gives me, that will be what? X squared plus, you have y squared, of course, that will now be 8 minus 2x all squared equals to what? 13. Now, in this condition, it's very obvious that you'll be expanding this bracket, and when you do so, it becomes x squared plus 8 minus 2x, then 8 minus 2x equals to what? 13. Now I have this, it makes it interesting. So the next thing I'll do, I'll make this, I'll multiply these two brackets together. So that gives me x squared plus 8 times 8 is what? 64. 8 times minus 2x is minus 16x. Minus 2x times this is minus 16x. Minus 2x times minus 2x will give you plus 4x equals to what? 13. Now when you get to this condition, obviously it's a quadratic equation full time, what you do? You rearrange such that they will become ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So let's go. From here, if I rearrange, that will be x squared plus minus 6x minus 6x will give you, that's minus 32x, which you know. So I can just erase this and make this minus 32x. Now, we also have a 4 here. Are you with me? Oh, this is squared. Okay, that's a square. So that means I have this. Then remember that we have a plus 64, then plus 4x squared equals 13. Finally, rearranging this, I will take this my plus 4 to this place. That will be x squared plus 4x squared minus 32x. Remember there's a 64 here, that's plus 64. This comes in as what? Minus 13 equals to 0. So that is x squared plus 4x squared will give you what? 5x squared. Then minus 32x. Then 64 minus 13 gives you 51. That will be what? Plus 51 equals to 0. Are you seeing this? So in this case, they've never specified whether we should use factorization method or we should use almighty formula or completing the square method. So what I will just do here is simple. I can just use, for me not to bug your heads, I can just use the general formula. If you don't know what the general formula is, check my previous videos, I've made that. So coming to the general formula, I have 5x squared minus 3x plus 51 minus 32x plus 51 equals 0. From here, a, of course, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is 5, b is minus 32, and c is 51. So from here, this becomes x equals minus b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over what? 2a. And from here, I can have this as x equals minus what? b is minus 32 into minus 32 plus minus square root. Then this is what? 32 minus 32 all squared. Are you there? Then minus 4. What's a? A is 5. Then c is what? C is eventually what? 51. Are you there? Over 2 times A is what? 5. Now from here, this becomes x minus times minus is plus, and that's 32 plus minus. This gives you what? You have minus, of course, this remains as minus 32 squared, then minus 4 times 5 is what? That's 20. 20 multiplying this, that will, of course, give you have 0, then you have 2, then you have 10 over 10. Now from here, the next thing you have to do is what? Find a way to multiply this minus 32 squared, and you have a value. So when you might multiply that, okay, now look at it. Coming to this place, if you look at it, if you check out the square of minus 32 squared, that will be x equals 32 plus minus square root. Then minus 32 squared will give you 1024 minus 1020 over 10. Coming here, x equals 32 plus minus square root. Now 1024 minus 1020 will give you 4 over 10. So coming to this place, the work seems simple. This will be 32 plus minus root 4 is 2 over 10. That's for x. So you have two answers. X equals 32 plus 2 is what? That's 32 plus 2 over 10, or 32 minus 2 over 10. So x equals 34 over 10 or 30 over 10. So 2 here 5, 2 here 17. 10 here 1, 10 here 3, so 2x. So let's substitute x into these places. When x is 17 over 5, then you have y equals what? 8 minus 2 into brackets 17 over what? 5. Are you seeing this? So obviously we'll be having a kind of fraction there. But when x is what? 3, y is 8 minus 2 into 3. So of course 8 minus 2, 2 times 3 is 6. That's 8 minus 6, and that is 2. Now let's quickly work on this. If you look at this part here, you see that this is y equals 8 minus, of course 2 times 17, that's 34 over 5. Just take the LCM of that. I want to do it in a simple way so I get it. 5 divided by this, that's 5 times 6, that's 40. 5 into 5 is 1, and this, that's minus 34. And 40 minus 34 is 6 over 5. So class, coming back to this place, when x is 17 over 5, y is what? 6 over 5. Take note of this. So when x is 3, y is what? Y is 2. Let me rearrange this for you. X equals 17 over 5, y is 6 over 5. X equals 3, y is 2. So that is the final answer. Thank you so much, everybody. I do appreciate. Take your time and watch these videos again. And if you've not subscribed, please do appreciate you. God bless you. See you in my next video.